Forward collision warning and forward collision avoidance are two related but distinct automotive safety systems. Understanding the difference between them is crucial for modern drivers. Forward collision avoidance goes one step further by actively intervening to prevent crashes. It can automatically apply brakes or adjust steering to avoid or reduce the severity of collisions. Modern FCW and FCA systems use multiple advanced sensors working together. This includes radar sensors, LiDAR technology, and high-resolution cameras, all enhanced by artificial intelligence. These AI-enhanced systems have dramatically improved accuracy, reducing false positive alerts by 35 to 40% compared to systems from just 2 years ago. Understanding your FCW and FCA warning lights is essential for safe driving. The color and pattern of these lights communicate different system statuses and urgency levels. A solid yellow or amber light means the system is temporarily unavailable and may need attention. This could be due to sensor obstruction or environmental conditions. A flashing red light indicates an immediate collision threat has been detected. This requires your immediate attention and action. A solid red light signals a system malfunction that requires professional service, while green or blue lights indicate the system is active and functioning normally. As of 2024, significant regulatory changes have made these safety systems mandatory. All new vehicles under 10,000 pounds must now include automatic emergency braking as standard equipment. These advanced safety systems represent a major leap forward in automotive technology. By combining multiple sensors with artificial intelligence, FCW and FCA systems provide drivers with both warnings and active protection against frontal collisions. When your forward collision warning light activates, understanding the root cause is essential for proper resolution. There are 3 main categories of issues that trigger these warning lights. Environmental factors account for 40% of FCW light activations. These include sensor obstruction from dirt, snow, or ice, as well as heavy rain, fog, or extreme temperatures affecting sensor performance. Technical malfunctions represent 35% of cases. This includes sensor misalignment after accidents or service, software glitches requiring system resets, and electrical connection problems. Vehicle-related issues make up the remaining 25%. These involve aftermarket modifications affecting sensor operation, windshield replacements without proper calibration, and suspension modifications that alter sensor angles. Before seeking professional help, there are several troubleshooting steps you can perform yourself to potentially resolve the issue. Step 1 is to clean all sensor areas. Remove any dirt, snow, ice, or debris from sensor locations on the front bumper and grille. Even small obstructions can trigger warning lights. Step 2 involves performing a system reset. Disconnect the vehicle's battery for 15 minutes to reset the FCW system and clear any temporary error codes that may be causing false warnings. Step 3 is checking for available software updates through your vehicle's infotainment system. Step 4 involves a visual inspection of all sensors for obvious damage or misalignment. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, professional service is required. ADAS systems require specialized equipment and certified technicians for proper diagnosis and repair. Professional ADAS calibration requires precision alignment tools costing $15,000 to $50,000, along with certified technicians who have received proper training on these complex systems. Service costs vary depending on the issue. Sensor replacement ranges from $300 to $1,500. Calibration services cost $150 to $400, and software updates range from $50 to $200. An important benefit to remember is that many insurance companies offer premium discounts of 5 to 15% for vehicles equipped with advanced forward collision warning and forward collision avoidance systems, helping offset maintenance costs.